Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Ryan Does Jailbreak, and I hope you guys are enjoying your stay so far. Today we're going to get up to 250,000 cash. Once we hit 250,000 Roblox Jailbreak money, we will end off the video and we will replay in the next clip. So hopefully you guys are enjoying yourself so far. I'm really appreciating your guys I'm really appreciating that you guys are sticking with me. And yesterday we just hit 6 subs, so I'm grateful for that. It went up like really high. Well, not that high. Oh my god, let me just turn that down a wee bit, because you want to actually be able to hear me, you know. So we're just going to escape prison, just gonna rob a couple of stuff. I was up last night watching videos on how to grind. I was just basically watching Creek's videos, and he was just doing the power plant. So it's just power plant and the museum and the train, just basically in a loop. And if you guys have watched Creek's video, he did the video on the richest jailbreak player, and she actually goes around just robbing the power plant, museum and the train. So let's just go in here. So last video I actually got stuck up there. I actually got stuck on the roof, which is insane. So let's just go and rob Asimo. Please don't be broke, just give me money. And like I said, I go to the jetpack. I go to the jetpack and then I'm off to the helicopter. And then I just basically start robbing from there. So we'll see how it goes. Keep flooding in with the comments. Love you guys. You were giving a lot of comments yesterday, like saying, give me tactics on how to do it. So I'm really grateful for that, and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Now my friend Sarah, she says that she couldn't get over 1k. Well, I just robbed Asimo for 1,500, so you can get over 1k. Sarah, if you're watching this, you're able to get over 1k. You're able to at least get 10k at least. Now, it's not that hard to do. You know, I'm pretty good at jailbreak. I like doing all the robberies. The only thing I have a problem with was the last update. Now, I know Asimo and BadCC have heard about this. A lot of people have done videos on it. It just wasn't really that good of an update. Like, it was just another season with spoilers. So hopefully this next update makes up for it. Like, I'm really looking forward to the vehicle and the new robbery, and hopefully a few other things. So let's just go and see if the power plant's open, and let's just start to rob. So like I said, 250,000, and then the video will be ended off. So let's just go over here. Is it open? I think it is. Just go over and see. So guys, comment down below what you think is going to be in the next update. What you think the new robbery is going to be. Obviously it's going to be a space robbery. Okay, the power plant isn't open yet. But comment down below what you guys think the new vehicle is going to be. Personally, I think it's going to be a GTR. Because, you know, I used to be a master at, I used to be good at naming cars. Like, I used to know I used to be able to go blindfolded and, you know, like name cars and stuff like that. So, what the heck? So we're not going to be talking about this COPPA thing, because personally I think it's half of you guys that watch my channel, I don't even know if you're teens or if you're like old enough. Well, obviously you're old enough, so I don't know if you're like 13 or 11 or 12 or how old you are. If you want, you can put it down in the comments below so I can be aware of who's watching my videos. Be much appreciated. But yeah, I can't believe we're at 6 subs already. Let's try and get to 15. Let's try and get to 15 subscribers. Then I will do a shout out video. Okay, no one's here at the museum. So let's just go rob. Let's go rob Baz CC. Or actually, let's go get some weapons and donuts first. So, and also comment down below how you guys are doing. How's life for you? How's life for you guys? Sorry, I'm stuttering. I don't know what to say. I just woke up, so I apologize if I do sound a bit tired. But it's good. It's all great. So yeah, Road to the Vault Bike. This is something I've been wanting to get for ages now. Asimo, Baz CC, give me all your money. Baz CC, give us the update. Don't have any money, you're broke. Come on, Baz CC, you have a game like this, how do you not have any money? Oh, you know what would be a funny thing to do? I think we should just go to the bank and light it up. Yeah, let's just go to the bank and like burn it. Like just go ham with the rockets. Well, after we rob Asimo anyway. Well, actually, no, we need to rob a bit. We need to get to 250,000 Jailbreak cash. See, somebody just robbed the museum. They did it without me, which is bad. I'm starting to lag a bit, so hopefully that's okay on your end when you're watching this video. So let's just go see if the jewelry store is open. I don't really like robbing a jewelry store that much because I'm not really good at robbing a jewelry store. Jewelry store is open. Open up! FBI, open up! Oh, did I just glitch in there? Yes, I did. So let's just get this, and I might lose connection. Nope, it's fine. Let's get this. Let's get some nice jewels. I'm kind of talking higher because I couldn't hear myself. I was going over my video yesterday and I couldn't actually hear myself because over the music, over the jailbreak music and stuff like that. So there's 2,500. So let's just I'm using, no, it's not OBS, but I'm using some kind of screen recorder, so it's pretty alright. So let's just get this here. There we go, 4,500. And let's just get this. There we go, 5,000. Now, personally, what I think the new robbery is going to be is a space robbery. I mean, I like space. I'm pretty good at astronomy and stars and stuff like that. Like, if you were to ask me in the comments, what's the biggest star, I would be able to tell you. Because I'm not good at, like, Let's hope we don't oof. Yes, we're gonna oof. Big rip. Put a big rip in the chat. Big rip. So, actually, I think we're just going to go over here. I don't know why I'm lagging so much, because I wasn't lagging like that last time. I was gonna do a video with my brother, but he's gone out. They've gone out for a bit of shopping. Actually, I don't even think we're gonna get to 250 today. Yeah, we'll just go to 200,000 and we're just gonna wrap it up there. This is already 10 minutes so far. So we're just gonna go to... Comment down below what you guys think I should get after the Volt Bike, because the Volt Bike is £1 million. Just comment down below what you guys think I should get after the Volt Bike. Like if you want me to get the fire engine. I already have the ambulance. If you think I should get, I don't know, just surprise me in the comments down below if you think I should get the new gun. If you think I should get the other, I don't know what the other car is. I already have the Ferrari. If you think I should get the Doom Buggy, any car in Jailbreak, what car do you think I should get after the Volt Bike? So yeah, just comment down below what you guys think I should get after, and I will heart your comment. That always makes people stay. Hearting comments. Now, I'm new to YouTube. Well, sort of. So if you guys think... Guys, comment down below in the chat. Just comment down below what you think I can improve. Like if I should stop stuttering, if I should stop muttering, if I should stop being so quiet. I think I'm quiet sometimes. Like I'm not quiet a lot. But so let's just go rob a Simo. Is he broke too? No, he's not. We're close to 200,000 guys. 200,000. This is like the highest I've got to actually robbing. Like I've never got to like 300,000. Ah, there's a train. This is how you rob a train, like a boss. Actually, the carriages are too long. Am I gonna be able to do it? 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 Am I? Looks like someone's been here. Nope, no one's been here. I might be able to get 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might get 1,000k for this. Yeah, £1,000. Whoop whoop. So guys, that is going to... Oh, if you want me to buy the ATV, I'm all for it. Quite frankly, I just want to leave all the small vehicles out of the mix. Comment also down below what you guys think I should paint my Lamborghini. Currently I have this skin on. Like that's a pretty sick color. Comment down below what you guys think I should put. I'm just gonna put my YouTube name here. RDJ. And just apply that. There we go. Oh no, it's hashed out. Never mind. So yeah, guys, comment down below what you guys want me to, what texture you guys want me to put in the car. Because currently I have ball on it. Now it's a pretty good color. It's a pretty good thing so far, but I think I should put like a different color on it. Like either frost or wavy or galaxy. So guys, yeah, leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do. And I will hopefully see you guys next time in the next video.